Are you still looking at me? Why you looking at me? Why you looking at me? Why you I see you looking at me, yeah.
Hey guys, it's me Daisy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You wanna come say hi? Oh, you look like trash. Never mind.
Hi guys, it's me, Daisy, and welcome back to my...
Does my hair look bad? Should I fix it? So today, you guys are gonna be watching me cut an onion and tomatoes.
Wow.
I know I haven't posted in like 2 months, but it's because, you see, I've been working really hard on dropping my diss track. No, I'm just kidding. I've just been lazy. Okay guys, so let's go to the kitchen and I'm going to show you how to cut a tomato and onions. Because I've never done it before. It's my first time. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be a pro. Guys, so I'm here. I have a knife. Ooh, you saw that clip?
Ka-chow.
Okay, so I don't know how you do this. I suck.
How do you cut it? You have to cut that part off.
Oh,
I think. Or maybe...
You know what?
Oh.
Oh, okay. So this is supposed to be on a burger. So you gotta do slices like cucumbers.
Yeah.
And I just
No,
itched.
that's too big. There. No, that's horrible.
That's too big. Ah!
Oh,
That one's beautiful.
That one is beautiful.
It's beautiful. Gordon Ramsay will be proud.
Oh.
I mean, I don't like tomato on my burger. Do you like tomato on your burger?
Yeah.
So now we gotta do the onions. I heard if this makes you cry.
Oh.
Shut up. We got tomato slices, and we got the onions. Anyway, so that's it, guys. That's the whole video. So thank you guys so much for watching. So yeah, I'm gonna try to upload every now and then. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And yeah. Okay, bye.
Am I turn yet?
Okay, when it flashes, say bye. Okay, ready?
Bye.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye!